Hello, how are you? In today's video, I'm just going to tell you which seed is better, chia or flaxseed. Which one is healthier? Which one should you add to your diet? I'll tell you which has more omega-3, which is richer in antioxidants, which is better for diabetics, and which has more calcium. There's a lot of great information in this video, you won't want to miss it. First of all, if you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. There are new videos every day and you won't want to miss them. If you know someone who's unsure whether to buy chia or flaxseed, share this video. Let's grow this chain of good because that's what I want with this channel, to help as many people as possible. A lot of people ask me which one is better. When I make a video about chia, they ask me about flaxseed. When I make a video about flaxseed, they ask me about chia. Both are super seeds, superfoods, and offer many benefits for our bodies. We already know they are sources of omega-3 precursors, have lots of fiber, and contain healthy fats. But which one is better? Let's start by comparing them in terms of calories and nutrient breakdown so we can get our bearings in this battle. Let's start by comparing flaxseed with chia so we can look at carbohydrates, protein, fats, and fiber to see what the differences are. We'll compare a 30 gram serving of each to give us a reference point. When we compare, in 30 grams of flaxseed, we have 150 calories, and in chia, 137 calories, practically no difference. In terms of carbohydrates, flaxseed has 8 grams and chia has 12. In terms of fiber, flaxseed has 8, so all of its carbohydrates are fiber, and chia has 11, so there's only 1 gram of net carbs, also practically nothing. If you're on a low-carb diet, if you want to control your carbohydrate intake, both are good options. When it comes to protein, flaxseed has 5 grams and chia has 4, pretty much the same. In terms of fat, flaxseed has 12 grams and chia has 9 grams. So in terms of calories and macronutrient distribution, the two are very similar. It's worth talking a bit more about the fat profile, the amount of omega-3, and the amount of omega-6 present in these two different seeds. Looking at the fat profile of these two seeds, we see that both are excellent sources of omega-3 precursors, which are powerful anti-inflammatories and very beneficial to include in your daily diet. In fact, it's a great source for vegetarians and especially for vegans who often don't have good sources of omega-3. Usually the best sources are deep sea fish, so vegetarians and vegans end up not having many options. But of course, if they use these seeds, they are excellent sources. In that same 30 gram serving, flaxseed has 6.4 grams of omega-3 and chia has 4.9, so it's quite a significant amount. Regarding omega-6, the amount is very similar. Flaxseed has 1.7 grams and chia has 1.6 grams. In terms of proportion, flaxseed comes out ahead because it has a higher amount of omega-3 and a bit less omega-6, so proportionally, it's a better combination. That doesn't mean chia has little omega-3, it just means that proportionally, in this comparison, flaxseed comes out on top. Many people, especially vegans who don't consume dairy products, are concerned about daily sources of calcium and phosphorus to support bone metabolism, and they wonder whether flaxseed or chia is better. So, specifically regarding the amount of phosphorus, flaxseed provides 18% of the daily requirement, while chia provides 27%. And regarding the amount of calcium, flaxseed has 7% and chia has 18%. So when it comes to maintaining good bone health and bone density, chia wins this one. Thiamine is a very interesting nutrient, especially for diabetics, because it helps prevent the onset and worsening of problems related to diabetic neuropathy, which is a type of complication for diabetics that can sometimes cause tingling, loss of sensation in some extremities, and even motor difficulties. In this case, flaxseed comes out ahead because it provides 31% of the daily recommended intake of thiamine, while chia only has 11%. Even so, it still remains a source of thiamine and continues to be an interesting option, but in this battle regarding diabetic neuropathy and thiamine, flaxseed comes out on top. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that we have. In fact, it even regenerates other antioxidants in our body, so consuming selenium is always very beneficial. Flaxseed provides 10% of the daily selenium requirement, while chia offers 22%, which is more than double that of flaxseed. So, if you're looking for the antioxidant benefits of these seeds, you'll need to consume chia for that purpose. Both are very rich in minerals, so there's something of a technical tie when we look at the concentration of zinc, iron, manganese, and magnesium. They are very similar in terms of meeting daily requirements. In other words, both are extremely nutritious. Neither one comes out losing. Depending on what you're looking for, one might have a bit more of a certain nutrient than the other. But in any case, adding both to your diet will only bring benefits, only good things. If you find flaxseed too bitter and you'd like to get these omega-3 benefits but think it changes the taste of your juice or smoothie too much and you just can't consume it that way, then you can consume a bit more chia seeds to get about the same amount you would with those 30 grams of flaxseed. Always remember that I'm talking about a fixed amount, 30 grams of the product, but if you're looking for some specific benefit that, for example, chia has less of, you can always increase the amount a little or take it twice a day to get more benefits. I also think it's worth highlighting for you that both are fantastic for weight loss, for reducing inflammatory processes in our body, for controlling diabetes, and for improving cardiovascular health. So I'll leave it down here in the description. Next to the video title, there's a downward arrow right below where I'm talking. Click on that arrow and a tab will open. There I'll put the links I have about the benefits of flaxseed, the benefits of chia, and recipes I've already made here on the channel with these ingredients to help give you more ideas on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. In fact, regarding this matter of incorporating it into your daily routine and where to consume it, I like to give a tip. Chia doesn't have any taste, and it gels up very quickly. Both chia and flaxseed do. But flaxseed has a slightly bitter aftertaste, especially brown flaxseed. Golden flaxseed has a slightly milder flavor. So usually I think flaxseed works better in savory dishes because we can use more seasoning and enhance the flavor to mask the bitterness a bit. And chia works really well in fruit jams even without any sugar because it already gels on its own. It also works great in desserts like a flan. I'll leave some links here in the description to help you out so you can better understand what I'm talking about. To sum up this video, who comes out on top, chia or flaxseed? Today we only have winners. Both are superfoods. These seeds are fantastic for you to add to your daily routine. Another great option is to add them to your homemade granola. I have a video explaining how to make granola at home, the pros and cons of buying it at the supermarket versus making it yourself. I strongly suggest you watch it, and you can adapt this granola by adding either chia or flaxseed. Keep switching it up so you don't get tired of the flavors. That's always very important when it comes to eating well. I also have 2 fantastic videos here, 10 ways to use chia and 10 ways to use flaxseed. I'll leave them down below in the description to give you more ideas on how to incorporate these superfoods into your daily diet. Now tell me down below, which of the 2 do you consume more? Is it chia or flaxseed? Is it because of the taste, the price? What makes you choose one over the other? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And also suggest another food battle you'd like to see. Which foods from the same group do you have questions about? I'd love to make it for you, so leave your suggestion here for me. Share this video with anyone you know who would enjoy the topic so I can reach as many people as possible and grow this positive movement with your help. Speaking of helping, like the video because that also helps me out. And if you're new here, don't waste any more time. Subscribe to the channel now and turn on the notification bell. I have new videos every day about the benefits of foods, what makes you gain weight, what helps you lose weight. I make recipes. You're definitely going to love it. See you next time. Bye.